Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinigilong ki khubor ba mta kasni. Kajing pynphai ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill da ka Ministry of Home Affairs MHA badan kamban ben bed hangni hangtai kala pelong ya ka kinhon jong ka hinyotrem Youth Council HYC. Banya kendo ya usembut menteri rangba ka jela bakmi ya ketunat kampo yeng ba prestun ten song banyo jingshai. Hagatay ka bills la kadaw ya ki kato kat ni kidaw ba ka jingbom ay jing menjur kaday na marki kendon ban penyeng ya ki entry exit point ki bala kadaw ha ka bill.
Today we have come to meet the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, Pak Prestun Ten Song. Recently we have seen through newspaper reports or through media that the MHA, the Ministry of Home Affairs, has returned the Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill of 2020 back to the state government with an observation that the state government should revisit the bill. So we have seen only through media, so we don't know what exactly the MHA has directed the state government. We have come today to seek an explanation from the government, in which we have been able to meet the Deputy CM. During our discussion, the Deputy CM has informed us that the MHA has indeed returned the bill with an observation and a direction to the state government that the state government of Meghalaya should revisit the provisions of the bill. As to what are those provisions that has to be revisited, the Deputy CM has told us that the MHA has certain reservation when it comes to putting up entry and exit point or the gates as per the provision of the Act. They have some reservation for putting up of such gates because it will create inconvenience to the visitor or to the people who enter the state. And secondly, the MHA also has a reservation where, or has put a direction that any bill or any act which is made by the state government should not be against or in contravention of any act passed by the parliament. They should look into those two aspects. We have requested the Deputy CM that if it is possible, he should supply to us that copy of the MHA so that from our side we'll be able to give a suggestion to the government. And he has also informed us that the state government in the next few days will be calling a meeting of all the stakeholders in order to discuss regarding this letter that has been given by the MHA. After we get that letters, maybe we can give a proper suggestion to the government as to how the government should move forward. So that is our meeting. The meeting today is specifically to seek an explanation and to discuss and to ask about the status of the MRSSA Amendment Bill 2020.